PGD2000 has a 2-inch barrel and comes ready to drive posts up to 1 7/8 inches in diameter. It also comes with a 1-inch adapter sleeve that enables the driver to drive posts 3/4 inches to 1 inch in diameter. To prepare the adapter sleeve for use, install the sleeve pads into the pre-made indentations. Insert the adapter sleeve into the drive shaft as far as possible by hand. In case of a tighter fit, it may be necessary to stand the driver up to help fully insert the adapter sleeve. To remove the adapter sleeve, prop the drive shaft and use a rubber mallet to start extraction. Completely remove the adapter sleeve by hand once loosened.